almost feel bad for people that don't have PS5 because this is something we're not going to want to miss. This game takes full advantage of all the features the PS5 has. So most of us have been playing PS4 games on PS5 with PS5 upgrades, but they're not really PS5 games. They run faster, they look better, but they're not PS5 exclusive. Even games like Horizon Forbidden West is going to be cross-gen. I'm sure God of War will be cross-gen. Hopefully Harry Potter will be PS5 exclusive. Hopefully Gotham Knights will be PS5 exclusive. But Rift Apart is just so good. I finished the story and I'm doing what this game calls challenge mode. I just call it New Game Plus. It's what it is. But I have these fancy names for it, but it's New Game Plus. I think my favorite of the new characters is definitely Rivet. She's funny. Having one Nefarious is interesting. I didn't expect him to be an actual menacing villain. I mean, it was until the end. I love how Rivet takes out both Nefariouses with a little crazy hammer. It was great. Had a lot more emotion than I was expecting. The story is fantastic. It's a little short. I mean, if you're a hardcore gamer like me, then it won't take long at all to finish. But it definitely helps skipping the spoilers, avoiding the spoilers like the plague, so I can go in fresh. And I kind of, me personally, I need Rivet to have some spin-off games. Even if they're just short stories, like I need her to have spin-off games with the new robot. Like, to me, it'll be a waste of potential if someone doesn't at least consider it. And did it for Miles Morales, I mean, why not? I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about this at all. It could have been a little bit longer. I kind of wanted a little more side quests to do on these planets. But the story does go by really fast. One minute you're on whatever Rivet's planet is, next thing you know, Ratchet shooting Nefarious Dementia and everything, and everything's going crazy. It goes really fast. So it's not a very long story at all. But I would say those that don't have it, I would wait for a price drop because they are charging a lot for these new games now. And these crazy times we're in, I think it's more important. To save rather than just throw money away because they have it. Well, that's just me. I love this game. I'm going to be playing it for the rest of the weekend. I kind of hope that sequels are on the way. Hopefully this will sell well. I don't know how many people have PS5. I'm sure any Ratchet and Clank fan will be buying this one for sure. I'm kind of glad it's a standalone title. Makes it easier. Don't have to worry as much about, oh, this takes place after this one, or this takes place after that one. That type of thing. The Clank puzzles were interesting. I wish those were a little bit shorter though. It should have just been the one part. Tried to make it way too complex. I skipped most of them. The pocket dimensions are cool. Flying mechanics need a little bit of work. It's better than most games that have flying mechanics, but Still needs a little work, I think. Let's just change the dynamic of the controls in the options menu. But of course, MKS and Fire had the whole damn thing uploaded before midnight yesterday. I'm not surprised at all. But yeah, it's great. Yeah, it's a breath of fresh air considering the other games that I play on a regular basis. It's a nice breath of fresh air from like something like Dishonored, where they're always like stabby, stabby, shoot, you know. I like those wacky games. Used to be something like Spyro or Sly Cooper. Would have been cool to have a nice little nod to those games in this. I mean, he's doing different dimensions. I mean, why not? Sly Cooper's gotta be out there somewhere, right? Missed opportunity. Yeah, at the end, spoilers, when they're all their allies join forces to stop the crazy, nefarious guy. Would have been cool having a Sly Cooper cameo appearance. I would have lost my mind. Sadly, it doesn't happen. But, yeah, it's great. I give it a 9 out of 10 for sure. Wait for a price drop if you haven't bought it yet. But when I got that if you open the Pocket Dimensions, you can get the armor upgrades and whatnot, which is pretty cool. So Rivet and Ratchet both got different color schemes. Rivet's got the pink and white, and Ratchet's got blue. I unlocked at least as many weapons as I can, and with New Game Plus, you get to see for more bolts and get upgraded versions of the same weapons I have. So it is New Game Plus, and it's pretty freaking awesome. So yeah, Rivet needs a spin-off, and I don't know what they're gonna do with Nefarious. I think might need to get a different film for the next one. If this is a standalone, it probably won't be a big deal, but you can see Nefarious seems getting older really quick because the Emperor Nefarious, spoilers, gets takes into another dimension with this octopus thing. So I doubt he's coming back, but the other Nefarious, Doctor Nefarious. I mean, the crazy one always come back, but yeah, it was good. I like it. I really do. My advice: wait for a price drop. Don't buy it at full price because you'll finish within like a couple hours, depending on your schedule. I started playing it about 12:15 midnight, after midnight. Stopped a little bit around 3-ish, went to sleep, woke up, started playing some more. This is one of the games I couldn't put down. It's definitely a breath of fresh air from what I usually play. I really liked it. This is an actual exclusive. As you can say, Miles are also exclusive, but it was also cross-trend for PS4.